Hola, muchachos y muchachas. Just kidding. Thanks for watching Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm looking at my 2001 Acura TL. I get asked a lot if these cars or vehicles have a transmission filter on them. They do. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. We have a Wix oil filter of 58129. It really doesn't look too hard to get done. Alright, so here it is. Wix 58129. How do we look good? I mean, how do we look together? Just kidding. It's super early and it's super cold here in California. It's a blistering like 54 degrees right now, and it's 11 o'clock. I'm just kidding. Just pretending to be more Californian than I really am. Day off, lazy day. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Doesn't look too hard. To do this filter change, these are all the tools that I used. Some tools and parts will be in the description, or links to buy them will be in the description. We have a small funnel that I attached a little hose on. That's to fill it up when we're all done. The filter itself is a Wix 58129. A 10mm open end ratcheting wrench is very convenient, but something similar to. In the video you'll see I use a few different variations or different stuff. This ended up being the best bet. A 24mm or 1-inch socket and wrench. This will get the filter off and on. I believe I use a croissant wrench to take it off in the video, but this will be easier for you. Also an 8mm socket to get your airbox off. 10mm socket to get the plastics off the engine and some of the brackets off. You'll need a small pry bar, and I just used a slotted head screwdriver, and that's it. Last is the Honda transmission fluid to top it off. To get to the transmission oil filter, you must remove this engine dress kit, the intake tube, the upper air filter box. To get to it, I'm not going to cover it too much in this video, but if you do need help removing that, check out my other videos. Remember to like and subscribe while we're watching. There's your filter right there. Right there. Filtered. Just trying to. You just need a few 10mm bolts. This should hop right out like so. Back to this. There you go, so that is out. And it's the alt rubber hose. Looks like it just goes to here and then it tees off. Oh, it meets a rubber hose too. So this goes to a rubber hose right here, rubber hose on the bottom, so it looks like you should just be able to push this out of the way. Now you have two more 10mm bolts right here, right here that hold this retaining bracket in, it looks like. This back one, I'm going to try to just loosen so I can pivot the bracket. It's a little knuckle buster, be careful. And this bottom one we'll try to completely take out. That bottom one is a real tight squeeze. Alright, so that's up out of the way. Got my 3 screws up there. To get the filter off, I'm going to use a crescent wrench. And about that size right there. I think it's about a 23, 24. Somewhere about there. Around there. Let's hope we can get a good grip on it. Oh yeah. Removing the filter is going to wrap up part 1 of this quick, easy filter change. Go ahead and check out my other videos and find part 2, the quick, easy installation of the new filter. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next easy, helpful video.